Hello and welcome to Okuma. My name is Yannick Laubach and I'm the product specialist for machining centers and double color machining centers at Okuma Europe. Behind me you can see the stunning GENOS M560V-5AX. From aerospace components to complex medical parts, the M560V-5AX handles intricate geometries with ease. The machine features a high-speed, direct drive spindle with a maximum speed of 15,000 RPM, engineered for low vibration and thermal stability. Okuma's OSP P500 control, combined with machining navi and 5-axis auto-tuning, ensures optimal cutting conditions and minimal setup times at all times. If you want to receive more information, please contact us at info@okuma.eu.